coming back to watch another amazing wig video that I have for you. Again, thank you for liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel. I so appreciate it, as my main objective is to empower, to inspire, and to share knowledge with all of you. So let's get inspired by this amazing wig from divatrust.com. Of course, all the information about this wig is down below, including a coupon code for you. Go get that coupon, save some money. So I'm so excited about trying this wig because it's of a color I do not have in my collection. So let's just get into it right now. This is, actually, I'm really a huge fan of Bobbi Boss. So this is by the wig brand Bobbi Boss, and it is in a total favorite of this 13x4 parting. This is a total game changer. I mean, yes, they're about $15 to $20 more than the standard wigs with the straight parting. I feel they are so worth the extra money, and of course with that coupon code, it will be even less. This wig, if you do choose to use heating products, it is heat product safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And then also this is in the style of MLF222, and the color is in TTVVPKPC. Interesting. So it is in, actually the name of it is Sylvanna. Ooh, look at these beautiful curls. This is a beautifully curled wig. I'm actually gonna flip it around just so you can see the very back of how it is curled. Wow, I mean, how beautiful is that? Okay, so of course this is a hand-tied Swiss lace wig. All right, so let's just talk about this color of this wig and why I was super excited about trying it. So it has the brown root, the dark brown heavy root, which I absolutely love. And as you can see, it's this blonde, but also like a coral salmon. I can't even explain it. It just is gorgeous. I mean, can anyone really fight this? And look at these curls. It is like, wow, a little curled dream. Beautifully soft. Again, like, why I absolutely love wearing wigs is that I could probably spend hours trying to create this beautiful curl, and then honestly, it would be uncurled in an hour. With a wig, it is like this forever. Literally forever. Beautifully curled, like you just stepped out of the salon, like a little dream. I mean, that's my dream. I mean, why spend hours doing your hair when you can spend 2 minutes, pop this on, and look fabulous, right? So, okay, enough of me talking about how much I love wigs. Okay, so the construction of the wig, so this is a 13x4, so it's ear to ear, and so that's 13 inches, and then 4 inches back of this free parting net, as you can see. There are 2 clips on the side here, and then also there is your standard 1 clip in the back, as well as the fasteners are back here to adjust it to your head size. Okay, so let's put on this gorgeous wig. So I do have my wig cap, which I got from Amazon. I will leave the link below. Do check it out. It's a 10-pack. Buy the 10-pack, you're gonna need it, because you don't wanna be wanting to wear a wig and then realizing you don't know where your wig cap's at. Okay, so, and of course if you do have long hair, you're going to have to twist it, braid it, tie it, do whatever you can to just put it behind your head. Okay, so with these 13x4 partings, I do feel like it's easier since it is a free part and you can really do whatever you like with it. And it's actually a little bit more delicate in the front. It's easier to, I feel that using this back clip as a guide for the quote unquote center of the wig. Okay. So let's just put this on and see what we have here. Oh my gosh, I mean, guys, look at this. Look, look, look. I mean, I haven't even done anything to it. Oh man, it's beautiful. I feel like it sheds minimally. I mean, just like a regular standard wig, I feel like it's not any more or any less. I feel it's just pretty standard. And of course, if I was gonna be wearing this out, I would spend a lot more time putting on my wig cap and making sure it is hidden. And also with these 13x4s, I actually do not really mess around too much with the wig cap until I know the placement of it, if I do want to clip it in. So this is down the center. I normally don't wear my hair down the center, but you know, with this look, it's a great possibility I will. Wow, I mean, look how great. Do you see this? Oh my gosh, so good, so good. Okay. So let's start messing with it on this side. Of course, you just play with it like your regular hair. Play with it. Then also, once you do really find your part, you can just use one of these teasing combs and spend a little extra time creating that part. I'm not gonna be doing that because I'm gonna be flipping it around and such. Okay, so let's take a look at this. This heavy part. Oh my gosh, I mean, wow, it's just so glamorous. Why wouldn't I want to spend 2 minutes and just pop out of the house like this? I mean, it's great. Oh my gosh, it's so great. This heavy bang. Oh, I couldn't do this to my hair if I tried. Okay, I just love it on this side. Okay, let's flip it on the other side and see what we can come up with. Oh, how interesting. So definitely a different look. Oh, wow. It's just great. What do you guys think about this? I mean, wouldn't you love to spend about 2 minutes and jump out of the house like this? Also, some people think that wigs are like very hot or they'll start sweating. Yeah, of course, I'm sure if it's like 80, 90 degrees, you're gonna sweat, but you're sweating normally. But honestly, they're so light on your head. It's kind of like wearing eyelashes. You pop them on and then before you know it, you forgot you even have it on. So, wow, this is really great. I really love it. I'm so wearing this. I cannot wait. I was so excited about this color. I feel it's very summery with this blondie salmon coral look. And it just is so luxurious. So let me know what you think about it. Reach out to me, leave a comment below. If you have this in this color, maybe a certain way you'd like to part it. Also, how could I forget? Because I don't do the like center, this like bun thing, but you can, since this is 13x4, you can like do one of those buns or those halves up. You can, you know, you can put it up, you can twist it, you can braid it, you can do anything to it. It's a dream, people. Okay, so again, let me know what you think about it. I love to hear from you. And of course, thank you for liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel. And leave your comments below. Of course, this wig is from divatress.com, as well as the coupon code below. So check it out, let me know what you think, and we will see you soon.